everyone. Today we're going to draw the chill guy meme, alright? The chill guy. So it's going to be super easy and simple and for beginners. So stick around and you're going to know how to draw this thing in like 5 minutes, okay? Less. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to go right here now. I'm going to start with the top of the entire head, right? And it's kind of like a sloping upward a little bit, right? Very gradual slope upward. It's not that, wild. I'm going to go over here and curve at the end of it, and we're going to pull downward on it. Like so, right? About yay far, not the same length as the top of the head or anything like that. Going to go right here now, and I'm going to curve underneath. Right there, and line down. Gonna go over here now. So we're going to the ear. Gonna pull up right there, down, little ear, line right here, continuing the head right there, and then I'm gonna go up again, downward, curve along the back of the head, down, curve underneath, and curve underneath right here for the collar, right? We want that collar out of the way there. Sweet, sweet. And like I said, if you're close enough, this is fine, right? All you want to do is close enough. There's no exact measurements per se. You want to be close enough. That's all. Like you can vaguely tell what it is. Curve over here, out right there for the elbow. Line right here. Curve in, curve in. Huh. That's the arm. Forgive me, I yawned a little bit there. Let's go to the front of the body. Curve right there for the front of the body there. Line underneath. So one thing I want to put at the edge right here is I want to draw. It's basically another part of the sleeve. Then I can, draw the lower portion of that sweater. Curve over here. Out. Down right there. Down right there. For the pants. Line right here for the, the bottom of the pants there. Straight line down between the legs. Draw a curve right here, curve right here. Down right there. Line over here, up. And right there, you get the folding of the pants right there. So far, so good, right? So far, pretty simple. Nothing major. Gonna draw a line out right there for the other arm. It pulls in. A line right here. And see right here at the little edge, we're gonna draw lines down, right, edge of that sweater for kind of the body. And same thing right here at the top. Drawing lines down right there. All right. Let's go over here and draw the shoes. By the way, don't forget to hit the like. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like the meme stuff, absolutely hit the like button. Helps out the channel a lot. And it helps, the whole thing out. Whew. All right. And over here, curve for the edge of the shoe. Downward, so on the edge of that shoe. Line underneath. Back up. Line out a little bit right here. Curve over here. Line underneath. Line underneath. Line underneath as well for the sole of that shoe right there, you can tell. You want the difference in color at the front of that shoe like that. And like that. And if you want to draw a line right here, we're going to simplify it down as to a line right there. I don't really want to draw the laces and stuff like that, so we're just going to simplify it down. Draw a line right here for the seam of the pants. And then the seam right here in the center. Just kind of wiggly line. You can draw a line across there for the wrinkling of the pants. And then like line, maybe. Over here for maybe some dirt right there. I don't know, along the edge you can see. Line right here. Alright. Like I said, the body, you just want, for all this stuff, you just want to be close enough. And if you're close enough, it's easy enough, right? Don't forget to download the free How to Draw Cute ebook. The cute ebook basically goes over how to draw anything cute. And a lot of that stuff isn't really like skill-based, it's more knowledge-based. So if you just know what to do, you can make something look way cuter. Way cuter. And I give you literal charts that I created for you to kind of do that. So it shows you how large to make the head in proportion to the body. It shows you maybe different choices for the hands and the feet. What's the difference between normal cute and like chibi cute, right? All that stuff's in these charts. Like it's just a visual. And once you look at that stuff, you can apply it instantly. Like you can make cute characters right out the bat, just by looking at the information. That's it. It's not even like a, you know what I'm saying, like a skill-based thing. You know it. You're like, oh, okay, now I get it. But that's completely free. It's in the that free ebook. Go get that. It's in the description right now. So it's free right now, but I am going to start charging for it soon. Okay, let's go over here to the face. So we're going to go over here. We're going to pull in right there just a bit. Outward over here. We're going to just kind of put that nose at the edge right there. I might even draw it a little bit bigger. And then I got to fill this color in. I kind of don't have a choice. I guess if you have a pencil, it's easier. But you don't really have to fill it in if you don't want. But I think for this drawing lesson, I'm going to fill it in. I think it's probably necessary for this drawing lesson, I think. Just for it to look more punchy, right? To look, just to look like more, there you go. You know, like it's in your face. Right on. Right there. Gonna go right here now at the mouth. I'm gonna draw a slight smile. Line at the edge. Line right there. And now we're gonna have one eye below the ear and the other eye inward. So one eye right here. And right curve underneath. Line across. And then we're going to draw a circle underneath right there. Fill that in. Line for the eyelid right there. Okay. Same thing over here next. We're going to go inward here, like left. And then we do the exact same thing. We draw a line right there. Circle. Line right there. Fill it in. All right. And lastly, the eyebrows, which are literally just a dark line. That's all that is. It's just a dark line. It looks a little unamused here, but and a line here for inside the ear. There you go. That is pretty much it. Definitely hit the share button, and I'll talk to you later, okay? I'll reply to every single comment. So, oh yeah, stay here for the next drawing lesson.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.